In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a VTuber avatar to OBS in this easy streaming guide. Whether you're starting to stream or you're an avid streamer looking to add some flair to your setup, integrating a VTuber avatar can bring that fun animated presence to your content. Let's jump right in and I'll guide you through this process step by step. First, you'll want to go to your preferred VTuber creation website. This is where you'll find the software necessary to bring this virtual persona to life. Once there, look for the option to download the software, typically marked clearly with a free download button. Click it, and your download should begin promptly. After downloading, you'll receive a zip file containing the needed components. You'll want to extract all files from the zip to a convenient location on your computer. This can be easily done by right-clicking the file and selecting Extract All. Once extracted, you'll see several items, including the VTuber Maker executable file. This is the file you'll need to run. Double-click on this .exe file to start the installation process. Now, if you're using the VTuber software for the first time, you'll need to create an account. Go ahead, sign up, and don't forget to confirm your email to activate your account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings. You'll want to select a green background for your VTuber as it works seamlessly with OBS using what's known as a chroma key, allowing you to remove the background in your stream. Next, look for the device settings within the VTuber application. Here, you'll find an option to install a driver for the virtual camera. This step is crucial as it lets OBS recognize your VTuber as a camera input. Once installed, turn on the virtual camera. Now it's time to bring your creation into OBS. Open OBS and head to the Sources panel where you'll see a plus sign at the bottom. Click this plus sign and select Video Capture Device from the list. A dialog box will pop up. Choose the VTuber Maker as your device. With your VTuber now visible in OBS, you can adjust their size to fit your layout. Simply click and drag to resize, positioning them wherever you want in your streaming window. It's flexible and entirely up to you how they should appear. After resizing, right-click the video capture source and select Filters. This is where that green background comes into play. Click the plus sign at the bottom left and choose Chroma Key. Adjust the settings until the green background disappears, leaving just your VTuber avatar on screen. And that's it. You've successfully added a VTuber to OBS. Experiment with different settings and setups until you find what fits your style best. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.